Have you ever struggled with something but felt too embarrassed to ask for help? For millions of older adults like yourself, this quiet struggle happens in the bathroom. Not because of illness, not because of weakness, but because of something as simple and necessary as maintaining personal hygiene. It sounds small until it isn't. Maybe your arms don't reach the way they used to. Maybe arthritis has stiffened your fingers, or your back just won't bend like before. And little by little, those daily tasks, things you did without thinking, start to feel like a burden. In this video, we're going to walk through simple, practical solutions that make personal hygiene easier. You'll discover tools made just for seniors, alternatives to traditional methods, and expert tips that can help you feel more in control and comfortable in your own body. Now, before we jump in, I'd love to know, where are you tuning in from? Comment below and share your city. I always enjoy hearing from you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips like these. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up next. Understanding the challenges. What exactly makes bathroom hygiene challenging? First, there's arthritis and joint stiffness. When your fingers don't bend easily or your grip isn't strong, even holding toilet paper becomes difficult. Then there's limited mobility in our shoulders, hips, and back. Reaching behind yourself requires flexibility that may have diminished over time. Balance issues present another serious concern. When you're worried about falling, you can't focus properly on hygiene. And for those with extra weight around the middle, reaching necessary areas becomes physically difficult. These physical challenges often lead to emotional ones. Many seniors admit they've started avoiding social gatherings, worried about odors or accidents. Others feel deep shame having to ask family members for help with something so private. This loss of independence can trigger feelings of frustration and embarrassment. But the consequences go beyond emotional discomfort. Inadequate cleaning can lead to skin breakdown, rashes, urinary tract infections, and other health complications. When toilet paper doesn't do the job properly, bacteria remains on the skin, creating an environment where infections thrive, particularly dangerous for those with diabetes or compromised immune systems. Traditional methods versus senior needs. Toilet paper requires precise movements, reaching around or behind, folding it just right, applying the right pressure. For someone with arthritis, shoulder limitations, or back pain, these movements range from uncomfortable to impossible. It's like trying to thread a needle while wearing thick gloves, technically possible, but unnecessarily difficult. Then there's the paper itself. As our skin ages, it becomes thinner and more sensitive. Standard toilet paper can be rough and abrasive, especially with repeated wiping. This can lead to microtears in the skin, creating entry points for bacteria. And let's be honest, dry paper simply doesn't clean as thoroughly as moisture, often leaving behind residue that can cause odor and irritation. Think about other areas where we've already adapted to aging needs. We have ergonomic kitchen tools for arthritic hands, magnifying glasses for fading eyesight, and hearing aids for diminished hearing. Yet somehow, when it comes to bathroom hygiene, we're expected to use the same one-size-fits-all solution regardless of our physical abilities. This disconnect between what's traditionally expected and what actually works for aging bodies isn't just inconvenient, it can impact quality of life. Many seniors tell me they plan their entire day around bathroom access, limiting outings because they're concerned about hygiene issues. The good news is that there's been remarkable innovation in this area, though much of it flies under the radar because of our cultural reluctance to discuss bathroom matters openly. From moisture-infused wipes to electronic bidets, from long-handled tools to completely hands-free options, there's a whole world of alternatives that can make personal hygiene easier, more thorough, and less physically demanding. Remember, needing different tools isn't a sign of decline, it's a sign of wisdom. Solution 1: Enhanced cleaning options. Let's explore alternatives to traditional toilet paper that make your daily routine easier and more comfortable. Pre-moistened wipes are perhaps the simplest upgrade from traditional toilet paper. These wipes are already damp with a gentle cleansing solution, which means they clean more thoroughly with less wiping. For seniors with arthritis or limited dexterity, wipes are often easier to handle because they don't require folding, and their slightly larger size makes them easier to grip. Many seniors appreciate how wipes are gentler on sensitive skin, especially if dealing with hemorrhoids or irritation from dry toilet paper. The moisture helps prevent the micro-tears that can come from repeated wiping with rough paper. However, there's something important to know: despite what some packages claim, most wipes aren't truly flushable. Even flushable wipes can clog older plumbing systems. The simple solution is to keep a small trash can with a lid next to the toilet for disposing of used wipes. If you're concerned about the environmental impact or cost of disposable wipes, consider soft washcloths as an alternative. These reusable cloth squares can be moistened with warm water and used like wipes. Many seniors find them incredibly gentle on sensitive skin. You'll want a dedicated supply and a covered hamper to store used ones until laundry day. For those who prefer a more thorough clean, toilet paper moistening sprays have become increasingly popular. These small bottles contain a gentle solution that you spray directly onto regular toilet paper, instantly converting it to a more effective wipe. The advantage is that the moistened paper remains flushable. These sprays typically contain soothing ingredients like aloe vera and are small enough to carry when you're away from home. Remember, the goal isn't just cleanliness, it's confidence and comfort. Finding the right enhanced cleaning option might take some experimentation, but the improvement in your daily comfort can be remarkable. Many seniors tell me they wish they'd made these simple changes years ago, instead of struggling with traditional methods that weren't working well for their changing bodies. Solution 2: water-based cleaning systems. Now let's talk about what many healthcare professionals consider the gold standard for personal hygiene: water-based cleaning systems. Using water for cleaning after toileting isn't new. Many cultures have been doing this for centuries. Water cleans more thoroughly, creates less irritation, and often requires less physical effort than wiping. Let's start with the simplest option: portable bidets. These handheld bottles have a specially designed nozzle that creates a targeted stream of water. You fill them with warm water, position the nozzle properly, and squeeze to release a cleaning stream. They're remarkably effective and require minimal dexterity. Plus, they're small enough to fit in a bag or purse, making them perfect for travel. Perry bottles are similar but were originally designed for postpartum women. They've become popular with seniors because they're lightweight, easy to squeeze, and perfect for bedside use if mobility is limited. Their simple design, just fill, aim, and squeeze, makes them accessible even for those with arthritis or hand weakness. Many seniors keep one in the bathroom and another by the bed for nighttime use. For a more permanent solution, bidet attachments for your existing toilet offer convenience and thoroughness. These devices connect to your water supply and attach under your toilet seat, adding a nozzle that sprays water for cleaning. Modern versions come with controls that adjust water pressure, temperature, and spray pattern. Once installed, they require no dexterity or reaching, just push a button, and the water does all the work. While basic bidet attachments start around $30 to $40, more advanced models with warm water, heated seats, and air drying functions range from $200 to $500. Yes, that's an investment, but many seniors tell me it's been life-changing for their comfort and independence. One thing worth mentioning is that water-based cleaning actually reduces the risk of urinary tract infections and skin irritation because it removes bacteria more effectively than wiping. This is particularly important for seniors, who often have increased susceptibility to UTIs. If you're hesitant about trying water-based cleaning, start small. A simple portable bidet costs under $15 and can give you a sense of whether this approach works for you. Solution 3: adaptive tools for independence. For many seniors, the real challenge isn't just finding better cleaning products, it's reaching effectively. Adaptive tools bridge that gap, connecting your intention with your physical abilities. Extended reach wipers or comfort wipes are perhaps the most valuable solution. These long-handled tools hold toilet paper or wipes at one end, allowing you to clean without excessive bending, twisting, or reaching. With soft grip handles and paper release mechanisms, they let you complete your routine without touching soiled materials. What makes these tools truly precious is how they restore independence. Time and again, seniors tell me that handling their own hygiene without assistance preserves their dignity and privacy in ways that deeply matter. While there's a learning curve to using these devices effectively, the independence they provide makes the adjustment period worthwhile. For those with limited hand strength, look for toilet aids with ergonomic handles and button release mechanisms requiring minimal finger pressure. Some feature built-in storage for wipes or even soap dispensers, streamlining your entire routine. Bottom wipers with disposable heads offer another excellent option. These feature a soft, spongy head that holds cleansing solution. Simply attach a fresh pad before use, clean yourself, then release it into the toilet without touching. Seniors with arthritis find these provide better grip and control than paper alone. For water-based cleaning preferences, extended reach bidet attachments position the nozzle on a longer arm that's easier to use without excessive bending. Some connect to both toilet and sink for temperature control. Many seniors combine approaches, perhaps using a peri bottle first, followed by an extended wiper with a dry cloth for finishing. Whatever your preference, consider discrete storage solutions that keep tools clean and accessible. Remember that these adaptive tools now come in travel-friendly versions too. Collapsible designs fit easily in purses or glove compartments, helping you maintain independence and confidence even away from home, allowing you to stay socially active without worry. Solution 4. Creating a safe bathroom environment. The most effective hygiene solutions won't help if you don't feel safe and stable in the bathroom. Let's talk about creating an environment that supports your changing needs. First, let's address stability. Grab bars are perhaps the most important safety addition to any senior's bathroom. Unlike towel racks, which can pull away from the wall, properly installed grab bars can hold your weight as you sit down, stand up, or adjust your position. I recommend installing them next to the toilet and in the shower area. Look for textured bars that provide a non-slip grip. Toilet safety frames serve a similar purpose without requiring wall installation. These freestanding frames fit around your existing toilet and provide armrests on both sides to help you lower onto and rise from the seat. Many seniors find these especially helpful because they provide support exactly where you need it. Raised toilet seats add 3 to 5 inches of height to your existing toilet, reducing the distance you need to lower and raise yourself. This small change can make a tremendous difference, especially for those with knee, hip, or back issues. Some models combine a raised seat with attached grab bars for complete support. Proper lighting is another often overlooked safety feature. Many bathroom falls occur because of poor visibility. Consider installing motion-activated night lights that provide enough illumination to safely use the bathroom without being harsh on sleepy eyes. Floor safety is critical too. Remove throw rugs that can slip or create tripping hazards. Instead, use non-slip bath mats with rubber backing. For tile floors, consider applying non-slip treatments that increase traction without changing the appearance of the floor. Organization plays a key role in bathroom safety. Keep your hygiene supplies within easy reach so you're not stretching or bending unnecessarily. Wall-mounted dispensers for wipes or toilet paper eliminate the need to handle large rolls or packages. Remember that home modifications may qualify for assistance through Medicare Advantage plans, Medicaid waiver programs, or local aging services. Don't hesitate to ask your doctor for a home safety evaluation, which can sometimes unlock coverage for these important adaptations. Healthy habits for better hygiene. Staying properly hydrated is essential for seniors, even though many reduce fluid intake fearing more bathroom trips. Proper hydration keeps bowel movements regular and easier to pass. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water daily, adjusting based on your doctor's advice, especially with heart or kidney conditions. Fiber is truly your bathroom ally. Most seniors don't get enough in their diet, yet adequate fiber creates well-formed stools that pass more completely with less residue. Include oatmeal, beans, berries, and leafy greens in your meals. If dietary changes are challenging, consider gentle fiber supplements like psyllium husk, but always consult your doctor first. Regular movement stimulates your digestive system naturally. You don't need strenuous exercise. Short walks after meals can significantly improve regularity. Chair exercises or gentle stretching helps maintain the core strength and flexibility needed for easier bathroom visits. Be mindful of your medications, as many prescriptions, particularly pain medications, blood pressure treatments, and antidepressants, can cause constipation. Discuss with your doctor or pharmacist about timing adjustments or alternatives. Establishing a consistent bathroom schedule helps tremendously. Try using the bathroom at the same times daily, often after breakfast when eating stimulates the digestive reflex. Never ignore the urge, as this leads to harder stools later. For sensitive skin areas, choose breathable cotton underwear to reduce moisture and irritation. If incontinence is a concern, today's products are more discreet and effective than ever before. Always change them promptly when soiled. After cleaning, ensure the area dries completely before dressing. Consider using a hair dryer on cool setting at a safe distance if needed. For frequent irritation, moisture barrier creams with zinc oxide can protect and heal sensitive skin. Remember that quality sleep and stress management significantly impact digestive health. A calming bedtime routine and simple relaxation techniques can help regulate your body's functions, making bathroom experiences more comfortable and dignified. As we come to the end of our time together, I want to leave you with some thoughts that go beyond specific products or techniques. This conversation has never really been about bathroom hygiene. It's been about something much more profound: living with dignity, independence, and self-respect at every stage of life. Sometimes it's the quiet moments, the ones we rarely speak of, that carry the greatest weight. Like standing in the bathroom, feeling frustrated that your body doesn't move quite like it used to. Or wondering if needing help means you've somehow lost something: strength, independence, dignity. But here's what I believe with all my heart: you are not defined by what's harder now. You are defined by your wisdom, your resilience, and your choice to keep showing up for yourself and for those you love. The truth is, aging brings change. That's no secret. But change doesn't mean defeat. In fact, change invites us to do things differently, smarter, softer, and with more compassion for ourselves. Maybe you're realizing that certain tasks aren't as simple as they once were. That doesn't make you less. That makes you human. And you are not alone. Millions of other seniors are navigating these same challenges, often in silence, thinking they're the only ones. With the tools and tips we've shared today, you now have options. Real, gentle, thoughtful options that support your needs and your independence. Whether it's a soft wipe, a bidet, a grab bar, or just a more comfortable seat, you deserve solutions that work for you. So don't be discouraged. This isn't the end of ease or comfort. It's the beginning of doing things in a way that feels right for this season of your life. Your body may be changing, but your worth hasn't. Your right to live with dignity, ease, and peace hasn't. Thank you so much for spending this time with us. If you're over 60 and still curious, still open to learning, still caring for your health, you are truly inspiring. It takes courage to adapt, to seek new ways of doing things, and to care for yourself with gentleness. If this video brought you comfort or clarity, please consider clicking like, subscribing, and turning on notifications. And if you know someone who might benefit from this information, please share this video with them. You never know how one small tip could make a big difference in someone else's day. Take care of yourself. You deserve it. And we'll see you in the next video.